Guys, the majority of your dried herbs, the majority, this is going to how you're going to do them. Burdock root. It's dried. I did not grow this. And it still has a very strong smell to it. It smells like dirt with a little bit of. You guys ever been out in the woods when it's been raining or you found a damp piece of tree limb or something that's fallen off a tree and you've ever smelled that? That's what it kind of smells like. This is a pint jar, so we're going to add the burdock root. There are measuring lines on this jar. So we are going to see where we're at here. Lighting is not good in here. About at 1.5 cups. I'm going to put a little bit less out of there. All right. So it's basically halfway, 1 cup. Okay. Like I said, I don't have a lot of alcohol. And I hope when I go tomorrow, it's a different cashier. It's going to think I got an addiction to alcohol or something. So we're going to, yeah, I might not have to buy any more for this specific one. But yeah. What's the next thing we do? We debubble. So we're going to debubble. We're just going to move those herbs around just so we can make sure that all of them have touched that alcohol. Now, of course, I'm going to shake this all the time. All right, press and seal on the baby. So we're going to mix it up a little bit here. Guys, I always turn my tinctures upside down after I shake them and mix them up just to make sure there's nothing that could be left out of the alcohol. Because if it has too much air to it and it's not totally soaking up some type of alcohol in here, you could get some bacteria. But we're good. Need to label this. Burdock root. I'm going to have to go to labels now because I reuse my lids. You can't reuse them on canning, but I don't throw away, and I use them for my tinctures. So somebody had asked about doing a tincture. This is your basic. If you go 50%, 100 proof alcohol, you're getting 50% of your alcohol content out of that vodka. You're also getting 50% water. So you're getting the best of both worlds.
Stay healthy.